Hall of Fame went very well tonight, and the program went very well. Founded in 1989, SVEC is an organization that is when education purpose and bringing together engineering organization and different disciplines to better serve the community and education and engineering field to connect with the industry as well as the schools and discovery programs and K-12 and Keeper of the Flame and also Hall of Fame. So Hall of Fame is the highlight. Tonight we had a chance to bring two new Hall of Famer to the Hall of Fame list that we have, 91, now we have 93. And then we gave away two Keeper of the Flame Award to deserving teachers that promote science and education to their schools and inspire students. And we also had four Discovery Awards given to teachers who inspire students to study engineering. Besides that, we also had 10 students awarded with a scholarship that want to study engineering. So we awarded 10 scholarships. We hope next year we can be able to award even more scholarships to deserving students to make a difference in the world. So we hope that our organization, SVEC, will have a good impact and inspiring to all the other organizations to do the same thing, to inspire students to study engineering and give to the future and generation after generation, so they too can be at some point there to give us award and scholarship to the young generation to make education available to everybody and also the world a better place for all of us today, tomorrow, and generation to come. The event was great. We hosted this event tonight for Silicon Valley Engineering Council. I am Yllka Masada. I spelled Y-L-L-K-A, last name M-A-S-A-D-A. I'm the president of this organization for the second term. And we are proud to organize this event, which is an education event for all the programs that we do, from Hall of Fame to Keeper of the Flame to education of discovery programs and also scholarship. We were honored tonight to have all these people attend our event and join us in this celebration. We had two new inductees to the Hall of Fame. We had 91, now we have 93 Hall of Famers, and we hope to increase over year after year. We awarded two Keeper of the Flame awards and four Discovery Awards and 10 scholarships to students in colleges and universities to study engineering. So we hope we made a difference and inspired this young generation to study engineering and to pay it forward as they go on with their life and become the future engineers. So that we all work together as one body, from children to schools, to companies, to Hall of Famers, past and current, so that we can make a big impact to the life of humans around the world, not just us in Silicon Valley, but we want the engineering to be the key life changer for the better to the life of people, also to the climate change, to education, to communication, collaboration, working as one with the companies and corporations, and also among each other, so different disciplines of engineering, and also with the corporation. We are thankful to sponsors of industry sponsors who sponsored us for this event, and I am also the chair of IEEE Computer Society. And on behalf of Computer Society, I also sponsored one scholarship to a deserving student. And I'm also proud tonight, the VP of IEEE from headquarters on membership and education and collaboration. He was here present to hand the scholarship awards to every student, all of 10 of them. So, and in this, another sponsor was IEEE Solid State Circuit and other organization that we got sponsored from. So we are very proud to be part of this organization, and that we can make a difference to students' life, to corporation life, to community life, and to engineering discipline as well. Yeah. I hope we left a positive impact to the attendees, first of all, to do the same thing like we do to inspire the young generation, to go to find these students who are brilliant students and to inspire them to study engineering and to give a scholarship to them, to sponsor such event like ours, to collaborate and work with us and be co-sponsor together with the event, do a lot of connect schools to the industry, connect the industry and the teacher to universities and to companies as well, because this young generation that we give a scholarship today are the future engineers who will be working in these companies, and we hope that all organizations, just like SVEC, would do the same thing. So I hope that we have a lot of organizations that are our members, and I hope that more organizations will join and more companies in the industry will join SVEC in support of such a great program, because it really changes lives of young generation. So that if they have inspiring today and then they win award, education award, they will do the same for next generation when they grow up. And these companies will receive brilliant engineers in the future as they are today, but things change, technology change, and I hope that all organizations can join us and we work together as one team and collaborate for a better future. Yeah. The alliance is more like a hub of all engineers. It's alliance of engineering of all disciplines. So we promote education, connect from young age to K-12 to high school to universities, and we connect the industry to the schools. We connect universities to the industry, and we do all kinds because we all are industry. I myself am founder, CEO, president, and CEO of Kelmendi Engineering Incorporated. It's a startup that we make products for different market segments of IoT. Actually, I didn't put the slide there, but I am the Blue Ribbon sponsor of this event as well. My company sponsored this event as well, but I didn't mention because it's my company, so I don't want to give thanks to myself. That as a founder, president, and CEO of Kelmendi Engineering, I proudly support SVEC and I supported the program. So I buy scholarship for students and then table for students. So these are things that we want to encourage other companies to do, because everybody together we can make a big difference. So we make a difference on our own, but when we are too many and then we add up all the good things that we do, like inspiring people, funding some scholarships, giving awards to teachers who make a difference in students' lives, it makes a big difference. And unless we are all connected to have a same common goal, being in education, in climate change, in industry, in the future of invention and technology, so one alone can do so much, but joint forces we can do way, way much better. And I really encourage everybody to be part of us, and companies to look at this as a kind of a point. We have created the platform to support this kind of event and this kind of programs, and we want in the future more support from industry itself, so that we can find the schools, and we want teachers to come to us and tell us what projects the student wants. So we provide engineers to teach them industry programs and things, and we really encourage them to have different kind of programs. I also serve as a judge in robotics competition at Synopsys, and also at our engineering colleges, also as advisory at electrical engineering in San Jose State University. So I'm well connected to the industry, because knowledge never ends and knowledge is power, and nothing is more powerful and beautiful than knowledge. So I highly encourage students to study engineering, and if they need any help, just say it and we'll be there to help. In any way, SVEC is committed to help new generation and all engineering organizations and collaborate with all disciplines for a better future.